Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G72, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, open Settings and scroll all the way down, start a misclick. Then choose System. Over here you need to click on Gestures and then tap on one-handed mode. Following that, scroll all the way down and click on Disk Switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut if you are using Trick is Navigation. Then just got it in the pop-up and go back. As you can see now, when I click on this shortcut, one-handed mode is on. If you wish to go back to the standard size screen, click over here or swipe up. If you want to move your shortcut, just hold it and drag it. If you want to disable one-handed mode completely though, go into the same settings and click on the switcher again. If you are using gestures though, I just need to change my navigation quick. You need to click on this switcher next to use one-handed mode, the gray one, in order to activate it. Then scroll down and click on full screen into reach. Then follow all of those instructions. To use one-handed mode, swipe down from the bottom edge of the screen. To use this feature, make sure gesture navigation is turned on. So now when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. You can go back by clicking over here or swiping up. If you wish to disable this mode completely, tap on the switcher one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!